Struggling with affiliate marketing? Use these tips. One great online business to get into is affiliate marketing. It's not actually hard to do, but it does have a learning curve that needs to be taken on if you want to make good money. Here are some tips for getting you past that learning curve. Maybe you can even break the curve. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. Use the templates from your affiliate programs, but make the content unique to you and your audience. If someone clicks on your page and sees an obvious copy and paste template with no personal information or content, they are going to click away and not come back. You can use the templates as they are usually proven items, but make sure to include yourself in it or you'll drive your clients away. Before picking an affiliate marketing partner, you should visit their website to get a feel for their online business. Would you personally buy from their website? Is their website easy to use? Would visitors to your website feel good or bad about being directed to the advertiser? You can learn plenty about potential partners just by checking their site. A great affiliate marketing tip is to be sure you list your site in all of the major directories. If people do not know about your site, there is no way you will generate any traffic. You have to put yourself out there, and be aggressive if you want to have a chance to be successful. These ideas should help you move steadily toward affiliate marketing success. Making money as an affiliate isn't an instant process, but one of constant learning, tweaking and gradual building. Following these tips is an investment in your future though, so with what you've learned, you can go forth and build the financial freedom you desire. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.